Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. The Settings app is home to many of the settings you can change to tweak Windows 11 and make it work better for you. But just like any other app, the Settings app can occasionally go sideways and stop working as it should. And in extreme cases, it can even stop working at all. There are a number of things you can try in order to fix the Settings app if it starts acting up on you, but I always start with first trying to repair the app. If that doesn't work, then I try resetting it. It's always best to try the repair first because the repair procedure doesn't reset any of the app's data. But if the repair procedure fails to fix the problem, you can go ahead and try a reset. Just be aware that resetting the app will also reset its data. Luckily, either a reset or a repair will take care of the problem in most cases. Here's how to repair and, if necessary, reset the Settings app in Windows 11. First, click the Start button and type the word Settings. Next, in the right-hand pane, click App Settings. Now scroll down to the Reset section and click the Repair button. That's that button right there. Now check to see if the Settings app is working correctly. If it is, you're done. If it isn't, repeat these steps and click the Reset button instead of Repair. That's all there is to it. If all went well, your Settings app should now be working correctly again. If you found this tip useful, please click like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.